ask the Honorable Minister whether social auditing is being conducted regularly in every year in all the C&RD blocks of the state, as prescribed under the respective schemes.
So, may I request again the honorable member to repeat?
Okay. Whether social audit is being conducted regularly every year in all the C&RD blocks of the state.
There are 17 schemes. Again, I'm confusing, sir. I'm hearing about the
Honorable
number of
MLA is
schemes.
asking whether you have regular social auditing done, whether it is annually or
Around 70,000 audit conducted last year, sir.
Okay. How many cases?
Ngatharai pili osnyo. Dorbar Kylli Jingkylli jong ki MLA hakasni baar. Sngap. Hakabayadai ka Jingkylli jong UMLA ka VPP isar Heaving Stone Kharpran. I Jingkylli jong iba Kylli ya Minister in charge of C&RD Block. Isar badan burom sotun. Iba longkumne. Whether the social audit is being conducted regularly every year in the C&RD block of the state. Kani ka Jingkylli ka baran kambha bantip yangi kinong song snong ya uwei po uwei hapo ka jylla. Ngakwa ban pynshai bat ban penkela sa ktien Khasi kaniat let se don ki bam sngewthuh ka Jingkylli bat kumno ka jubab jong kinong sa Jingkylli. Hato la pelong ni ya ka social audit ha karukom kaba manla usnem hapo ki C&RD block jong ka jylla. Katakan ka Jingkylli jong ni isar Heaving Stone Kharpran. Kamut ayu social audit. Ka social audit kadai karukom trikam jong manla uwei ka C&RD block kabadon hapo ka jylla. Kamtam kinong song snong badai hap hatu kapo C&RD block. Uwei pa uwei kidon kam bantip ban yoi bat ban pynshai ya ka rukom trikam jong kinu kiskim jong ka jylla Meghalaya. Kum ganuksa kum ki kita ki jai kam kinong yo mentoy ne ki kam ki balade pentrai kam ki kot kisla bat ki rukom ban pendon kam ya ka pesa jong ka skim sarkar. Ngasnyo kani ka Jingkylli karon kam bahayangi ban wat jingtip bat no ban pelong transparency ya kani ke skim sarkar. Kani kain ka jubab bakwa MLA jong ka VP. Henry Hause kat minister jong ka C&RD block hab diarap jubab da chief minister badan burom ukon rat sengma ya ka Jingkylli jong isa Heaving Stone Kharpran. Tapi ki paidbah pisnyo kumno halor ka di ka Jingkylli bat tos ngap ya ka jubab jong isa konrat kuble sibon kat ka pisnyo I have comment section.
Sir, it goes beyond the questions that have been asked for the C&RD department. So therefore, if you look at, and if you heard my reply, sir, I was very clear in my reply. I mentioned that there are schemes under the C&RD, and then there are schemes outside C&RD which are being audited.